our second and last day of our conference by Productized. Here, our speakers are very fierce, so be prepared everybody, because today the panel is going to break you all. We also have a coffee break, so you can do networking and start connecting with the other attendees and also speakers. Our lunch is going to be held outside, so you can finally breathe a little bit from the talks and also do a little bit more networking.
We're learning more about AI, so what to do in this new era and to deliver the best option to our clients.
So one thing that I want to ask product leaders in general here is, are you close enough to reality to know what your next step is? And if it's not, go there. Go with the mentality of first learning and then leading. It really makes a difference for the team if you're there and creating that learning, that next data point for them.
There was a lot of room for discussion that I do enjoy. And now the talks, interesting, but actually I'm waiting for more in the coming session.
Hi, we're having a lot of fun at Productized, enjoying some really interesting workshops yesterday, and so far we've had a few inspirational talks this morning already, and I'm very much looking forward to the afternoon and the rest of the talks here at Productized.
The conference is being really cool. This is my first time in something like this. I'm only 23 years old in my first corporate job, so it's been really it's been helping me to learn more about even my job and knowing so many people from so many countries.
So thanking the speakers is super important, because the speakers are really the core of this product. At the end of the day, a conference is also a product, and what we are delivering here is a series of talks and workshops that are either facilitated or given by some of the best product people in the world. I'm super glad because they have accepted our challenge, our request, our invitation to come to Productized to present some of the latest trends in products, also to talk what is happening inside their companies as thought leaders, and to really open the kimono, really tell what is happening, what are the struggles and what are their challenges, but also how they are solving this at this moment.
That was a wrap, everyone. Thank you so much for coming, to all the speakers and all the attendees that were here today at Museu do Oriente for a Productized conference. We are so glad to see you guys all smiling and connecting with everyone. A special thanks for all the sponsors and also our partners. And also a special, very welcoming thanks to our DJ B that welcomed us and ended our lovely night with amazing music. Thank you all for coming again, and I'll see you each other next year. Bye.